Hello friends, welcome to Compage and this is Radhamit. So friends, in the previous video I told you about to write any topic on which I should make a web page on HTML, but I got only one reply from a person. But friends, I was expecting more, so for now I have postponed the task of making web page, and I must get almost 10 to 15 responses to make web page because it's a big deal, right? It will take almost 5 to 6 tutorials or more than that to create a web page. So friends, I'm postponing this task for now, but as promised in the previous video, I'll be showing you my web page that I made on ISRO. So here you go, I have edited it, it's ready, and I'll be showing you it. I'll be showing it now only. So just see. Yeah, so friends, the web page is here. This is the web page I created on ISRO. I told you in the previous video that I'll be showing you a web page based on ISRO. So friends, this is the web page I created on ISRO. It's a very simple web page, very basic web page, and I have created it. It took me almost 2 to 3 hours to create it when I created it, and it's very simple. And you can see here it's the link. It's about ISRO. It's ISRO missions, records of ISRO, ISRO chiefs, ISRO applicant form. That's a fake form, right? And thank you. So these are the fake. This is the fake applicant form. I'll be showing you what is inside every link. When I click this link, it makes me here. It shows in this screen. I have linked the web pages with each other. So it's very easy, but I need some topics from you guys to create a web page, but I only got one response, as I told earlier. I need almost 10 to 15 responses, right? So this is the web page. When I click on about ISRO, and here I have created a button also, return back to the main page, right? It's very simple to create a web page, and I want to create it for you guys also. Return back to main page. It makes it to main page, and here one thing you will see, when I return back to main page, yeah, so then ISRO missions, return back to main page. I have one thing also I want to show you, that I have used some tags in it, that like a link and v link. I'll be teaching about those. So you see that when it's here, it's showing green color. The link is in green color, but when I click on it, it's become it's purple, right? It's purple color. So these are some tags used in HTML to make a web page more attractive and to look more beautiful, right? So this is ISRO missions, and these are ISRO main missions, right? Aryabhatta, the AjuSat, Chandrayaan 1 and Mangalyaan 1. Then return back to main page. Records of ISRO. ISRO records, the records set up by ISRO, right? Mangalyaan PSLV-C37, right? Then return back to main page, and ISRO chiefs. He is K.Sivan and here is Dr. Somnath. Return back to main page, and now it's a fake form. It's not a real form, it's almost a fake. Yes, it's a fake form. And ISRO applicant form for ISRO, first name, last name, and passwords and description, and the degrees, and the subjects, and the submit reset button. And here it's fill out this form to be selected in ISRO. So it's very simple to create a page. And at last, thank you. Thanks for viewing my web page, right? And here I have attached one image. So guys, it's very simple and it's very interesting to make a web page, and I also want to make you guys, I'm repeating it again and again, I also want to make a web page for you guys. So guys, I have shown you my web page. Now coming back to topic, today I'll be teaching you about to create two variables in Python, and it's a very simple and easy code, right? So let's move on to a Python screen. This is the IDLE screen on which the output is displayed. This is the input screen on which we type the code, right? Now let's move on to the codes. Untitled, right? First I'll be writing the title. It's not a tag, it's almost a tagline. To check if the sum of two numbers, right? The sum of two numbers is equal to the u1 variable, right? I'll be creating some variables in it. So first I'll be taking two variables, namely x and y. You can take x, y, z, w, e, x, anything you want. Creating an x variable. Now int if not int, you can also use code, but I will be using int here. Input. After input, what to use? After input, we write a tagline. We don't write the statements that needs to be printed, right? Enter the first number. Enter the first number, right? And then two brackets closed. One bracket, one this bracket closing, and one this bracket closing, right? Now making one more variable. We can take it q, x, y, a, b, c, d, anything. I'm taking it y. It's obvious what you want to take. Int input. It's 9. Int input. Enter the second number, right? Here I have created two variables. Now after creating two variables, I'll be using the statement if and else statement, right? If and else statement I'll be using in this code, in this program. For writing the if else statement, I'll need to first write about the sum of these, because what's the code mean? The mainly code is that the program will add the x and y numbers, and if the addition answer is more than a certain number, it will print you won, and if not, it will print you lost, right? So first I will be creating a sum variable. Sum is equals to x plus y. Rather, using sum you can create any x, y, z. Well, not x and y, because x and y are used rather than x and y. Instead x and y you can use any sum. Now we have written sum. Now we can write if sum is more than, let's say 1500 or 1000. Let's say 1000. If sum is more than 1000, print you won. Print you won. Print you won, right? But and now we'll be creating the else statement. Now guys, when you click on enter, it will show you below the print. You don't have to start from here. You need to go from the starting and now start from here. Else semicolon, else print. It will print you lost. You lost, right? Because guys, in this statement there can be only two types of there can be only two conditions. If either the number can be more than 1000 or it can be less than 1000, right? And now we will be printing print in inverted commas, in quotes, right? Print thank you. Bracket close, Control S. Saving it in the desktop only. File name xyz, let me name xyz. In Python files, let's save as Python files. xyz.py f5. Enter the first number. Let the first number be 500. Enter the second number. Let the second number be let's say 600. You won, because the sum of 500 and 600 is 1100, right? If I want to check the condition of you lost condition, the else condition, I'm going to 500 and 400. You lost. Why we lost? Because the sum of 500 and 400 is 900, and thus you lost. So guys, this was for today, and I hope you will be writing the subject, you will be writing the topic for the web page creation, and it will take almost 7 or 5 to 6, almost 5 to 6, at least 5 to 6 tutorials for a code, for the web page codes. So thanks for watching this video and keep learning.